So 21 Shares files for Solana ETF in the U.S. following VanEck's lead. And so here we go. Here's another application. From what it sounds like, from what the experts, like kind of some of the experts I've read, they kind of don't think that it's going to be approved. But, a Solana ETF. There's no point in applying because maybe you do get approval, right? And so that looks like, that's what 21 Shares is about. They're like, yeah, we're going to apply too. Yeah, well, what can they do? What's the worst they can do? Just say no, right? So, right, might as well give it a shot. And so 21 Shares doing that. So we're going to read this quick because you all know what an ETF is, and it's just for Solana. So there's not really much to fucking talk about here. I really could just read the title to you, and all right, there you go, guys. That's the story. But we'll read on just in case there's any sort of chicken in here. In line with VanEck's filing for the first Solana ETF in the U.S., as reported earlier by CNF, 21 Shares has also submitted an application for Solana ETF in the U.S. The 21 Shares Core Solana ETF aims to provide investors with a convenient and cost-effective method to gain exposure to Solana without directly investing in the cryptocurrency. This breaking news highlights... What's going on here? All right. This breaking news highlights how 21 Shares application for a Solana ETF in the U.S. follows VanEck's recent lead. As addressed by Colin Brown in a recent tweet, the move underscores growing optimism for a Solana ETF amidst evolving crypto regulatory dynamics. Brown explained that VanEck's decision to file for a Solana ETF is grounded in the belief that Solana's native token functions similarly to other digital commodities like Bitcoin and Ethereum. You guys know what I think about that already. Paralleling the role of Ether on the Ethereum network, Solana is utilized for paying transactions, fees, and computational services on the Solana blockchain. Key information on the 21 Shares filing. So in this article, we discuss the key aspects in detail of 21 Shares filing a registered statement with the SEC for a new exchange-traded fund focused on Solana. All right, so y'all know how ETFs work, but I'll just read it anyway for anyone who's new or you don't know how an ETF works. Investment objective. The ETF aims to track the performance of Solana, adjusted for the trust's expenses and liabilities. Operational structure. 21 Shares uses an LLC, sponsors the trust. U.S. LLC sponsors the trust with CSE Delaware Trust Company. All right, we're getting into too much detail here. Hold on. Shares are created and redeemed by authorized participants, depositing cash, with Solana being transferred in and out of the trust in blocks of 10,000 shares. Public offering. The ETF's shares will be offered to the public with initial seed creation basket purchase at $50 a share. So if you want in, it's going to cost you $50 a share. Market context. This filing by 21 Shares follows VanEck's. Same one. So bang, there you go. So I just, it's whatever, man. You all know what an ETF is. And so this is an ETF, exchange-traded fund. A fund is just a basket of assets. And in this case, the basket contains only Solana. And so this is another opportunity to see an investment vehicle being made. And like what I've told you before, we need altcoin investment vehicles being made, right? All around the world. Well, not all around the world, but I mean, in countries that are starting out in their sort of crypto journey, it all starts with Bitcoin, right? And then Ethereum. Okay, but what about the rest? And so that's what we want to see. We want to see ETFs in Solana, Chainlink, whatever, Morpheus, whatever, just whatever. And we more than just that. We want to see options contracts, swaps, and everything with these things. And so it'll all take time, but it's all coming together. The investment vehicles are being built slowly, but being built, and we're on our way. All right, so look, let's get to the shout outs. Bang.